Gary, we're at another home here. This one's a little bit different style and more custom as well. Tell me what you've done here.
There's a lot of different things going on here. Some very unique ideas that they brought to the table of what they wanted to do. Basically, just an example right here, the backsplash of the kitchen. It's basically an exterior stone that would use on the outside of a house, but you can see the look it adds to applying it using as a backsplash, as well as the columns that are over there. The different cabinetry, the custom tops. If you look at the door styles here, they're solid wood doors, they're arch tops, different profile in the trim. Just a lot of unique things and that go on just to make this place, give it its own character and make it something. And they had a lot of this done, a lot of their research, a lot of their planning included these things.
All right, well, there's definitely a lot of unique selections in this home, but the floor plan and design as well. You have the family room sunken in the floor here.
Yeah, there's actually the sunken floor, which actually exists in the basement too. The basement floor is sunken, the same as what the family room is, which presented a challenge on its own. This foundation is actually another superior precast foundation wall. Things just really came together with it well. It makes a nice product down there. Things worked out. The overall structure of the house, the roof, when you see the house from the outside, a lot of different roof lines, a lot of different things going, really add to the character of the house. And part of the challenge is trying to utilize the space, because when you get into fancy roof lines and things like that, a lot of times it creates areas that are voids or people don't use, and they've done a great job utilizing those spaces with closets and bonus rooms and just things like that. It's just a rather unique layout for the whole place.
All right, well, you know, taking a look at your homes today, there's definitely a lot of great quality in the homes, but you mentioned the structure, and there's a lot of things behind the walls as well.
Yeah, there is, and our standard features basically 2x6 exterior walls, 16-inch on center with 7/16 OSB sheeting. We have all the engineered floor systems, the truss joist system as you'll see in this house and the other house we were in. It's just a great system. It really cuts down the possibility of having floor squeaks, problems down the road. The engineered roof trusses, this house actually has a steel beam in it holding things up that you'd never know is in here. Things like that, and it all goes into design. I mean, that's part of our challenge is when people come up with these custom plans and come to us, and we're you know, anybody can draw something up on paper, but to actually put it into production to the point that it's going to stay there and be there for years and years presents a challenge. But it's fun. It's entertaining, actually, the challenge of having to do that stuff. You don't get bored with what you're doing.
All right, well, you guys obviously have the knowledge and expertise to handle not just, you know, creating a beautiful home, but making it structurally sound as well. And, you know, getting back to this space here, you have a great master suite and library up front here too. What are some of the things you've done in this home?
She had wanted the library with all the nice detailed woodwork and everything like that. And it turned out she really likes how everything completely came together. The master bedroom suite, you walk in there and it makes you feel like, you know, you're vacationing somewhere, you're not even at home.
Right, well, you know, taking a look at this home, it's really evident that you've gotten to know your customer and really sat down and built this home to accommodate their lifestyle and their needs.
Yeah, and you have to, especially with this. I referred to it before. You really, if you're going to be good at what you're doing with building a home, you've got to get to know your person, their personality, and try to understand exactly what it is they want. It takes half the battle away right there.
Well, you know, Gary, in talking to your clients today, a lot of them really enjoyed the process and the experience building with you. And, you know, we've taken a look at a model home and a larger custom home today, but you're working on quite a few different styles and price points and square footage as well.
Yeah, we do. Vast variety of homes, from small to large, simple styles to complex ones like this. Really, there's no job too small or nothing we've encountered that's been too big that anybody's presented before us.
Okay. Well, Gary, if someone out there is looking for their first home or maybe moving up to a larger custom home or even a renovation, how are they going to get in touch with you?
The easiest way, obviously, phone number, 717-624-7366. Our website, www.zimmermanhomes.com. They're the two easiest ways to get a hold of us. We also have frequent builder shows that we attend that would allow them to come and meet with us and see some of the things we offer there.
Okay. Well, Gary, you know, I've really enjoyed taking a look at your homes today and learning a bit more about the company. I want to thank you so much for being here today.
Pleasure, Mike.